So, you're using Xero, a fantastic accounting software, but you're not sure how to add a payment account? Don't worry, you're not alone. This can seem a bit tricky at first, but I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Think of payment accounts as the digital wallets your business uses to receive and send money. They could be bank accounts, credit cards, PayPal accounts, basically anywhere your business transacts. Why is this important? Well, accurately recording your payment accounts in Xero is crucial for several reasons. Accurate financial reporting. Xero relies on your payment accounts to track income and expenses correctly. This ensures your financial statements are accurate and give you a true picture of your business's financial health. Reconciliation. Reconciling your bank statements becomes much easier when you've correctly added your payment accounts. Xero can automatically match transactions, saving you valuable time and reducing the risk of errors. Automated bank feeds. Setting up bank feeds allows Xero to automatically import transactions from your bank accounts, streamlining your bookkeeping process significantly. Let's dive in and add a payment account to your Xero account. 1. Log in to your Xero account. 2. Navigate to the Accounts menu. You'll usually find this on the left-hand side of your screen. 3. Click on Bank Accounts or Accounts, depending on your Xero version. This will display a list of your existing payment accounts. 4. Click on the Add Account button. This is typically located at the top of the page. 5. Choose the account type. Bank account. This is the most common type and represents your checking, savings, or other bank accounts. Credit card. This is for credit cards used for business expenses. Other account. This option is for accounts that don't fit into the standard categories, such as PayPal, Stripe, or other online payment gateways. 6. Enter the account details. Account name. Give your account a descriptive name, e.g., Chase Business Checking, Visa Credit Card. Account number. Enter the actual account number. Currency. Select the currency of the account. Bank name. Optional. Enter the name of the bank if applicable. Branch. Optional. Enter the branch name or code if required. 7. Specify the account type, if applicable. For bank accounts, you might need to specify the account type, e.g., checking, savings, loan. 8. Set up bank feeds, optional. This allows Xero to automatically import transactions from your bank account. Click on the Connect or Link Account button. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your bank account to Xero. You may need to provide your online banking credentials. Xero will securely connect to your bank and retrieve transaction data. 9. Save the account. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Save or Add Account. Your newly added payment account will now appear in the list of accounts. Important notes. Account reconciliation. After adding your accounts, it's crucial to reconcile them regularly. This helps ensure the accuracy of your financial records. Security. Always prioritize the security of your bank accounts and online banking credentials when connecting to Xero. Support. If you encounter any issues, refer to Xero's help documentation or contact their support team for assistance. Let's summarize. Adding a payment account in Xero is a straightforward process that involves navigating to the Accounts menu, clicking Add Account, and entering the relevant account details. By accurately adding and maintaining your payment accounts, you can significantly improve the accuracy and efficiency of your bookkeeping in Xero. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.